how to fix error loading captions in YouTube on iPhone. So if you want to fix error loading captions in YouTube on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. Now from your settings, you need to scroll down and then go with general. Under general, you need to scroll all the way down and then go with transfer reset iPhone and then go with reset option. Now from reset, you need to simply click on the option of reset network settings. After resetting your network settings, your problem might be fixed. You have to just simply go back and then you need to go with your general again and then go with iPhone storage. Under iPhone storage, you need to scroll down a bit and then you'll need to find the YouTube application. After finding your YouTube application right here, you need to just simply go and offload the application. After offloading, the app will have a reinstall option instead of that offload option. You need to just simply go with reinstall, and after reinstalling, your problem might be fixed. Once you do that, you need to go back and then open up your app store. From the app store, you need to go with search, and here you need to search for YouTube. After searching, if you have any updates on your YouTube, you need to just simply go and update it, and after updating, your problem might be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.